If your YouTube TV channels are not loading on Roku, it's usually caused by network issues, app glitches, or outdated software. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Slow or unstable Wi-Fi can prevent channels from loading. Move your Roku closer to your router, switch to a 5 GHz network, or use an Ethernet adapter if possible. A stronger connection ensures channels load quickly. Step 2. Restart your Roku. Go to Settings, Open System, and select System Restart. Rebooting your Roku clears temporary glitches and memory errors that block channel loading. Step 3. Restart the YouTube TV app. Press the Home button, highlight YouTube TV, and relaunch the app. If channels still don't load, clear the Roku cache using the hidden reset sequence. Home button 5 times, up once, rewind twice, fast forward twice. This forces Roku to refresh all apps and temporary data. Step 4. Check for system and app updates. Go to Settings, Open System, and select System Update. Install any pending updates to keep Roku fully compatible with YouTube TV. Make sure the YouTube TV app itself updates after the system update completes. Step 5. Reinstall the YouTube TV app. If the issue continues, remove and reinstall the app. Highlight YouTube TV, press the menu button, and select Remove Channel. Restart your Roku, then reinstall YouTube TV from the channel store. A fresh install often fixes corrupted app files. Following these steps usually resolves channel loading issues and gets YouTube TV working smoothly again on Roku. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.